good, YouTube? Out here in Pike Country. Lo and behold, one of my boys decided to come out with me. Go ahead and say what's up, Jermaine.
What's good?
All right, so we're gonna get out here and we're gonna try to catch dinner. I brought out a special type of lure that I like to try. This big old gold monster right here. We'll see if we catch something with it. And yeah, let's see what we do. Jermaine, go ahead and kick that intro. All right. Woo, the grass is high. You still got the net? Nope.
Brushing the grass.
You gotta check it every time.
Man, what is this? You can't fish for 2 minutes.
Or put it like in the strap or something, in one of the straps.
Got to be somewhere down there.
I ain't gonna do there. That look like Tick Central. We'll find a spot maybe right over here. We'll go through, instead of Tick Central, we'll go to Uptown Tick.
Uptown Tick.
Yeah, this looks like the spot.
You know, would be messed up if I just fell into this bush right there.
Hold on, let's see if we
Ooh, there's a cricket.
throw in here first. Might be a fish sitting over here.
Maybe.
Well, maybe I should let you flip in there because my pole's all messed up. Never mind. I'm about to pull that 20-pounder out of here.
Make you wish.
Good job. Oh, that's,
You missed him, right?
I don't know, he was on the other side. I don't know if that was a fish or if that was a critter. All right, y'all, me and Jermaine just switched locations because we didn't catch anything in Pike Country. So we decided to go to one of our old stomping grounds called the Dam. Wish us luck. Well, folks, looks like no catch and cook this time. We didn't catch any keepers. That's how fishing goes sometimes. That's all right. We're gonna try it again tomorrow. See if we can get that big one so we can bring back and fry them up. Go ahead and put them in that flour jacket. What do you think, Jermaine?
Yeah, what? Yeah. Yeah, it's a good idea to put them in a flour jacket.
You're such a terrible actor. Anyway, see you next episode.